Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect printer wire. Start by turning off devices, plug the power cord into the printer and wall outlet, and connect the USB or Ethernet cable securely. Next, power on the printer and computer, install the driver from the manufacturer website, or use the operating system's built-in driver installation, then run a test page to confirm successful connection and alignment. Keep cables tidy to avoid damage. Connecting the right cables makes setup painless and faster. Start by identifying whether you need USB for one PC or Ethernet for networked printing, then check port types on both printer and computer. Inspect cables for damage and confirm the power cord matches your outlet. If using USB, choose a high-quality cable and plug firmly until you hear a click. And if using Ethernet, confirm router settings, allow the printer on the network. After connecting cables, installing the right driver is the key to reliable printing. Visit the maker's support page to download the exact driver for your model, or allow your operating system to detect the printer and offer a compatible driver. Follow on-screen prompts to complete installation, set default paper sizes and quality, and share the printer if needed. Finally, print a test page and adjust alignment or preferences for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.